Greetings, Mark Brown. You're going to be looking at some word processing software. Yes, very important, three of them. So if you don't have a Microsoft Word document or Microsoft Office on your computer, I'm going to show you three of them that you can actually use on your computer, right? It's very important right there, right? So we're going to show you all three of them, right? So very important right there when you look at it, right? So if you notice the word processing right here, right? So very important right there. If you notice, Wordpad is the first one you're looking at. The next one, Notepad, right here, and then sticky note. But how am I going to find all of these? All right, don't worry yourself. We're going to show you exactly where to find all of this. Right, so the first one, you're looking for Wordpad. So you're going to come right here in the search bar. You're going to click right here in the search bar. And when you click in the search bar, definitely, you're going to type Word. Right, if you notice right here, it's a Wordpad. You're going to click on that. Right, so definitely, you're going to click on that. In a while, you're going to see it. So definitely, this is Wordpad. So it look exactly like Microsoft Word. Yes, but what you can actually do in it. All right, so for instance, I'm going to say my name, right, there is Mark. Right, Brown. All right, good. So I actually have that right here. Let me correct that. Just the same, if I put the cursor right at the front, I can actually press enter, bring it down, it shows that I can actually block it. Just the same, yes, you can come right up to change the font. Like when I'm changing Microsoft Word, you know this. Just the same, I can come right here. Can actually increase the font. Just the same, I can come right here to A. Can also increase it up. Can actually decrease it. Just the same. Right here, so that I can actually bold it. I can italic it. Right here, so that I can actually change the color. So far, I notice the color change right here. Show that I can actually highlight it just the same. I can either center it right there. Right, center it, come back in the middle to the left. Justify. Right, you come back. You can actually do all of that. Right there, you can actually change line spacing right there just the same. Yes, but not only that. You can also insert a photo right here just the same. You can come right here to picture. Click. I click right here on picture. Now this is going to take you directly to your desktop, right? So you're going to come scroll up here, click on the desktop. So I'm going to search for a photo by clicking on this photo. You notice this is cancel and open. You're going to click on your open. All right, I'm going to choose this photo right here. And I'm going to click on open. If you notice, there you go, the photo. All right, what if I want to replace this name? You notice the word replace right here. So I'm going to click on the word replace. You notice it show up over here. So I can actually move it just like that. Up and down, move it where I want it. So I'm going to replace the word Mark. Brown with John. So it says find what? Replace it with what? So I want to find Brown, so we're going to type Brown. Now we have to type Brown, now we're going to type something that we want to inside here. So I'm going to put Summit. Just the same. Right, so notice right here is a find, it's a replace, and replace all, cancel. I'm going to click replace. Why? Because it's only one word. So if it was a whole entire document, you could do that. I'm going to click on it once, click on it twice. Okay, just like that. If you notice right here, it actually changed. Just the same. So this is one of the things that I can actually do. You can actually come right here. You can actually save it. Just the same for the desktop. Right here, you can come right here. You can actually close it. Just the same. All right. So the next one you go looking at is Notepad. To here you can get Notepad. You can go right back here and we're going to type Notepad. You notice this itself is Notepad. Right here you click. And when you click on Notepad, there you go. You can expand it just like that. Right. Click. I'm going to show next so you can get it. You can right click on the desktop. Come right here. Notice right here. It's a text document. Then you click on it. Double click. They open it so you can extend it. Right here. Can I type in this? Yes. I type my name is Mark. Yes. If you notice, I can also block it. So far, if I wanted to do that, it's the same. Right? If I put the cursor right here, I can press enter and carry down just the same. Yes, you notice when I click on file, notice it's actually I can open my new document, new window, open again, I can actually save it. And if you notice, save as, paste it up. You notice if I click on save right here, now this will take me directly to my desktop, just the same. Right, and I can actually come like that. I just want to put ME so far, and click save. That is it. If you notice, if I come to edit right here, notice what I can undo. Shortcut is Ctrl Z, right? Notice right here, so I can find. Next, find. Notice I can actually find previous. I can replace. Yes, so if I click on word replace, you notice, bring up the same local dialog box. You can actually move. All right. So we're going to type mark right here. I'm going to type mark right here. Then what we're going to put right here, we're going to put Mike. And then you're going to press, you notice if you find next right here, so replace all, notice it's previous into the Wordpad. Right, so we're going to click right here and click it again. Right, so you can actually close it. You notice it actually changed right there. Right, so go back. So you notice you select all. So when you click on select all, any amount of stuff inside here, you can actually select it just so far. All right, so go on format now. You notice you can wrap, you can actually change the font. You come right here. All right, you notice regular. Right here, you can actually change the font. Right here, and then click on OK. You notice the font has a change. All right, and then click on view. You can actually zoom in, zoom out. Right, help. You can actually do the same. Right, so very important. So this is how you actually use Word Notepad. Right here, you can come right here and close it. Right, this is it. Save. You can actually click it just to see. If you notice, this is save. This is the first one that you actually save. All right, so the next one you want to look at definitely sticky note. Right, sticky note. Very important. I can come right here, so search bar, click. I'm gonna write sticky note. All right, where am I? Look right here. So this is a sticky note. You're gonna click on that. So now you click on sticky note. Right, this is what come up. You're gonna click right here to extend it. Just like that. If you notice, this is where it actually open. Notice right here, it's a loading sticky note right here. A lot of you might not realize that there are so many stuff right here. You can actually write stuff on and do stuff on. Definitely. All right. If you notice right here, to open this particular area right here, if you come right here, you notice, show that I can actually change the color right here. You notice, color up here change. Go back again, you want to change it, you can change it to a darker color right here. Notice, it's close it. But if you notice right here, bold it and all that, you can take a note. If I come right here and click on the plus, it's a new note. You notice it show up a different one right here. Right, definitely. So if I come right here, that one close. I come right here, so I'm going to take note. I'm just going to write my name. I'm going to say my name right here is Mark. Good. Right there. I can also block it. If I wanted to block it, I can bold it just like that. I can italic it. I can put a bullet in front of it just like that. Right, very important. Press enter, go down. I want to insert a photo on it. So you're going to come right here. You notice add image, you're going to click. Now when you click on this now, this is going to actually take you directly to your desktop right here. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to come right down, just do it open. Right here. You notice this itself is the photo. You have right here. Very important right here. If you notice, this is your photo. Right? If you notice. Alright, so this is how it look like right here. So it needs another that. So what if you close this by clicking here? Can I get it up again? No, then you have to just come back in the search bar. Right here. You notice it's a sticky note right here. Just click on it. And eventually, what will happen? You can actually expand it. Notice the note is still right here. So very important. So hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.